Hello to everyone. It's me again, Aidana. Maybe not again for you, but anyway, hello. You know, guys, I don't know why, but today, actually right now, I would like to speak in English. I don't have any special reasons or issues, but I have just feelings. I would like to speak in English. And that's why I'm shooting this video. And you know, guys, I'm gonna go to invite you to have an English conversation with me. If you are intermediate or higher level, probably you don't know what kind of level do you have. It doesn't matter also, but you can speak fluently, and you are confident having conversation and discuss anything in English. Also, let me know, because we all know that this is a winter holidays, and we can find a time and to spend with English and to know a little bit more about each other, and maybe we will find something interesting. Yeah, who knows? And I personally consider that knowing languages, exactly English, opens so many doors in front of us and gives lots of opportunity, as much as we can use. Yes, I believe. And maybe you agree, knowing English better than when we don't know English. Okay, guys, I will wait you. Please let me know. See you.